The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, welcome back. It is Tuesday. My apologies. It is Tuesday, June 1st. Guys, we're closing in on halfway through 2021. We are off a very good session in the European session. For those of you folks that are in the European session, we had a great morning. See if we can keep that going in our session. And it looks like the Nasdaq or the indices. Good morning again, Becky. John, good morning. It looks like the indices, fellas, are on the cusp of breaking out. It's kind of what it looks like. Crude, of course, has broken out. We are 68.30-ish, 31, whatever the case may be. There is, in fact, a OPEC meeting today. I'm not sure what time. We do have a little bit of 8:30 data. But good morning, Chris. Again, Todd, good morning. Randy, Sue. Guys, good morning. Hope you all enjoyed the 3-day weekend. I, for one, hate 3-day weekends. Deepak, good morning. But we are approaching a breakout, finally, of this range, at least in the Nasdaq. And it looks like we want over 800. Crude, I'm not sure what the OPEC meeting, again, it could be a case of buy the rumor, sell the news. But crude looks like we can get to $68, $90 to $70 area. And the Nasdaq, we're fighting some resistance here at 43, 44. But 767 to 800 area kind of looks like, good morning, Trey, and welcome. Kind of looks like where we're headed, folks. We did 3 trades in the European session today. All winners. Very big winner in the Nasdaq. Very big winner in gold. And a small winner in the euro. In any event, guys, we'll see what we get today. You know I hate trend days. We're setting up for a trend day. We do have 8:30 news. I'm going to say PPI. No, ISM manufacturing. No, 10 o'clock. We have no 8:30 news. Scratch that. ISM manufacturing at 10 a.m. Dallas Fed at 10:30. Inconsequential. So it's 10 a.m. news, guys. Nothing at 8:30. Just looking around. Nasdaq currently has 2,900 net buyers, 2793. We have over 1,100 net buyers in the Russell. We have 6,200 enormous net buyers in crude and gold. 800 plus net buyers in gold. We're still slightly below VWAP. And the ES, guys, has 4,300 net buyers. We're trading near the highs of the session, which always makes me nervous about buying. DAX is at the high, just put in a new day high. DAX is broken out again. Silver looks longs to me. Dollar index. I think the dollar index is grossly oversold. And I think we're setting up for a bounce. It's what it looks like on the dollar index, which would be good for us if we want to get back into gold and silver. But we're going to need a pullback. Crude is just absurd. Just absurd. There's nothing I can do with crude other than watch it. Copper is pulled back, but it's starting to get a bid. Kind of an interesting long on copper at 64.85 might be interesting. And the Nasdaq, we're trading up near the session highs. Not too far off. 56 is the session high. Good morning, Yannick. Let's see here, fellas. I think it will be moot. All right, I'll turn on the Nasdaq bot. That is on. So I have my Nasdaq bot on. So Trey, I realize today is the first day of your trial. And it probably will be a little bit confusing for you for a couple of days. There's a lot that goes on in this room. And I'll go through it for you in a minute here. I'm just getting some stuff set up. Hang on. Trying to move a chart. There we go. Yeah, we're not going to get a crude trade for sure today on the bot. Maybe gold. Watched one of my YouTubes, Trey. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. There's my main man. Okay, good. So just to kind of give you an overview. Good morning, Lee. In the room, I actually run two different automated systems. One is the original bot, which is a robot predicated on a fairly complex system of moving averages across multiple time frames. Okay. So I do have those bots on currently. Good morning, Keith. And I will show those when trade fires. I have reduced the number of bots that I run to about 4. The Nasdaq, Russell, well, I guess 5. Crude, which will not take a trade today. Let me just show you, gold and ES. So here's gold on the 3-minute. Okay, just to kind of give you an idea. Gold took this long here back at 657. It's already gone to first target, second target, and maybe the third target. The only way, Trey, that this will take a trade is if I get some kind of reversal for a short. I mean, that's CL. I'm sorry, CL. Thank you, Ray. I got it, guys. It's still early. I should be up. I've been up since 3:40. Did the Asian set, the European session. Here is gold. I'm pretty sure this time I got it right. This is gold, which took this long at 727 and has already hit first target, not quite the second target. So we may be limited in bot trades today. I do have the ES on, which is already well into longs. That doesn't, unless again we get reversals, we're not getting any trades there. That is the original bot. Yeah, I can turn them on and off. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I'll leave them on, but the probability of them taking a trade, it doesn't look good. Maybe in the Nasdaq. We have a shot in the Nasdaq. The other automated system that I run is this. This is our new automated system. This is what we call the Breakout Indicator. And for instance, I'm pretty sure Pam, there we go, Pam's level's just adjusted. So I'll turn this to buy on close. At the close of this candle, it'll take a long. And something just took a trade. I'm guessing it's the Nasdaq, so bear with me 1 second, because that's all that was close. Indeed it is. So here's a bot trade on the Nasdaq. Okay. We have a bot trade on the Nasdaq. This is the initial or original bot. And we'll see what we get. And then, of course, I will be offering order flow trades today. Good morning, Marco. So it can be a little confusing initially. But if I had to, guys, pick a direction, I think we're going longs. And I think we're breaking out. Traders can purchase. No, so there are 2 versions of the robot. There is what I guess we'll call it the full version, which allows for you to trade as many instruments as you'd like simultaneously. So if you want to run the bot on 10 instruments and whatever fires a trade, that's what you trade, or that's $24.97. You own it. It's owned for life. Any upgrades, updates to the bot, etc., those are all free. There is no annual licensing fee or anything like that. The other version of the bot is what I kind of refer to as bot light. Same robot, only it's licensed for one instrument. So some people are only one instrument traders. They'll only trade the ES, or they'll only trade the Nasdaq, or whatever the case may be. And if that's the case, then that is $9.97, and you can trade one instrument. And again, that's lifetime ownership. You own it. The breakout, which obviously I haven't had a trade yet, the breakout indicator is $19.97, fully automated. There is no single instrument, multi-instrument. It's multiple instrument, whatever you want to trade on the breakout indicator. I'm watching CL, but it's kind of a waste of time. At least according to sources, OPEC Plus is talking about taking production higher in July, sticking to the current agreement through July. Crude is trading levels not seen since early 2020. Biden's doing an awesome job. He's doing awesome. A little more inflation and half the people that voted for him will be broke. Target fill. Oh, on copper. So this is the automated system on copper. It just filled first target, Trey. I did not. Thank you, Dave. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to the trade. Trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There's your disclaimer. So here's what we got going on. The bot is in a long on Nasdaq. The breakout bot is long on copper. Long on copper. First target is off. Second target is a mile away. And we'll see what we get. Let me move this. Silver, we'll do that. See if we get a silver trade. Okay, so it sends the trade to the bot. Yeah, so when the parameters are met, the bot will execute a trade in your account. Dean, right? That's Dean. Do 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 do. Crude's broken out again. Unbelievable. Nasdaq missed the long right at 8 o'clock. I guess just before. Nasdaq resistance 736. I really like 717. I'd settle for 29. I'm not looking. What size candle are you using for HG? TD Ranko, Carl. Number 4, I believe. 4. There we go. First target filled on the NASDAQ. First target filled. I don't have the auto trail on. I run it without auto trail. So I'm manually trailing. I can send it to you. Gary sent it to me, and he actually put it in Skype, I think, for everybody. But if you send me an email, Becky, I'll send it to you. Of course. More from OPEC Plus. The next meeting is scheduled for July 1st. Guys, at the moment, I've got Doodly. I guess we have a bunch of speakers this week, according to Lee. Thank you, Lee. Today we have Quarles and Brainerd. Wednesday, Harker, Bostic, Evans, Kaplan. Thursday, Bostic, Kaplan, Harker, Quarles. Friday, our good buddy Powell speaks. These guys love to speak. I'm not sure they say anything, though their lips are moving. Yeah, well, they got to assuage, the fears of inflation and keep telling people that it's transitory, which it is not. Ridiculous. See if we can get a pullback in the Nasdaq. We'll look for a long. I'm going to kill this trade. 42.50. It's going to take it out. There we go. It's done. Let's see where we come back to. So this zone has been tested a bunch of times. It may still hold, but I'm always leery. Let's see if we got anything lower. Yeah. There's a big zone down in here. I mean, all the way in here, down to 18. That's a big zone. I like that buy zone. 18 to 27. Mainly because it has, and this upper zone has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. We've bounced out of it. Doesn't mean it can't hold again, but I'm always leery when a zone has been tested and retested. I suspect that we should see some retracement of this overnight move prior to any potential up move. I don't think we're coming down very far. You guys could try a 40 long for a small bounce. Somewhere between 30, 39, 40. Thank you, Gary. Anybody that wants the TD Ranko, Gary has just placed it back in Skype again. Get no movement in gold. Crude, I can't get a pullback at all. I mean, it's up ridiculous. Copper is blowing up. Dollar index, silver is gone. Gold is actually lagging today. I have no idea, Don. I have honestly no idea. All right, we got a long on the gold breakout along with copper, which has a runner. So where do we want to take first target on this gold breakout, right? That shouldn't be, excuse me. That should be there. We want to be ahead of the swing, right? I think the best answer to that, Don, is I don't think anybody. I don't think we really know if Tuesday after a holiday acts like a Tuesday or a Monday. My sense is it acts like a Tuesday, but I don't know. Guys, I'm going to go through the list of who's in the room. If I have anybody in the room that does not belong in the room, let me know while you're here. I have no idea who or what Desert Falls Club is or why you're here. I don't know who Fellow Investor is or why you're here. No, the breakout indicator is automated as well, Trey. I'm just moving my targets around because I'm going to ask. The long is done, and now copper is short. Nasdaq looks like it could push down. 37 has some support. 36. Okay. I'm with you. Nice job, Ray. 23.75. Gold is attempting to get a bid. Ray shorted 40 quarter. First target 23.75, then 15 half, as per Ray. Still pending in crude at Keith, I don't have any idea. I would guess that he is watching order flow and bookmap. Ray, are you watching bookmap as well? No, he's not. He doesn't use it. You have it though, don't you? TPO weekly chart. Oh, he doesn't have. I thought Ray had bookmap. Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, if you look at your order flow, it's. I mean, listen, Ray does very well with order flow. Look at the trade. Tell me where the trade is. Where's the trade? Anybody else see that same trade? I hope you guys should. Look, this is. I'm assuming this is what Ray sees. You get a seller imbalance through the 68. Yeah, we come down through the point of control, but you got the seller imbalance here. What's your first target, Ray? Let me see what his first target is again. He's got a first target at 23.75. I don't have that. Maybe. We got to take out this swing at 33.50. If, that's another sell, right? That swing short, 33.50. Got to break that swing. Look, we got a real, I don't trade volume profile, right? For the most part. I'm not interested in the hidden phenomenon in the market, says the Iraqi wonder. There it is. There it is. Tell him about the poke, buddy. Tell him about the poke. You got a real thin area in the profile. So, we can come down, but I know I have a big buy zone down in here. There you go. Got another swing at 29.50. I couldn't help myself, Greg. I couldn't help myself. So we got the previous swing, right? These are higher lows. Now we got to get this swing. Crude doesn't want to do anything, but if I had to guess, I don't have anything on gold either, guys. Yeah, so do I, Ray. Right there. So yesterday's high was 19.5. Which may be where we trade down to. I don't understand the question, Trey. In Ninja, you cannot add connection. What do you mean in demo? Are you on? Do you have a paid version of Ninja, or are you using their free version of Ninja? By tomorrow. Oh, you just started the trial with them today. Okay, on Ninja. So I'm not sure how long it takes them to set you up, but I would think today you'll be set up on Ninja with a free trial. It's been a decade since I had a free Ninja platform. Uh, about 24 weeks, Daryl. 24 weeks. But realistically, we could bounce back up here. Let's see what happens here. Realistically, I have taught everything about order flow that I know. Everything that I know about order flow is generally I have taught within about 16, 17 weeks. The last 6, 7, 8 weeks, I kind of devote to going back through the process, answering questions in class, etc. Doesn't look like crude's going to pull back and give us the trade. Gold. Do we have a candle close? Let me get rid of this for a second. We don't have a candle close yet, but I would say gold, once we get a candle close through VWAP, you can take it. Nas crack, I still think is a short. Maybe if we get a pop back up to 38, 39, you can try it. Boy, this is just a torturously slow market. Torturously. I guess this crude is going to stay a mile overbought for the time being. Let's take a look at some pre-market stocks, guys. Apple's up 48 cents in pre-market. Facebook's up 73 cents. Tesla's up 268. Financials are up. GME is up 11.78. AMC is up $5, 5 and change. Plantair up 29 cents. Coinbase up $1.46. Caterpillar up $1.52. These are all the stocks that I'm following. GM up 66 cents. Citibank up 68. URNM up 339. TLT is down. Amazon up 14.93. Let's see what else I got here. LMND is up 81 cents. United Health flat. Beyond Meat down a bit. XLC nothing yet. AYTU up 20 cents. SBSW up $1.41. Those are all the stocks I'm following now. You know what? Where's my BlackBerry? BB. BlackBerry up 94 cents. Jeez. Guys, we're coming up on the 9 o'clock hour, which means that it's almost my break time. Anybody have any questions before I go on break? Anything at all? I'll leave these two charts up. Deepak, I may have been on mute when I answered your question, which is to say I didn't answer it because I have no earthly idea what you're asking. And furthermore, I don't know how Pam programs her support and resistance dots. And don't bother. Don't email me. Don't email me. I'm not going to correlate order flow to her levels. Don't bother asking. I have no idea how they're programmed, so I can't ask that. I don't sit here, and nor have I, and nor will I, and attempt to coordinate my order flow, what I'm seeing with her levels. I'm not even going to attempt it. So if that's your question, you would be best to ask that of Pam. Gary said there is no correlation. Levels come from the past where order flow is current. And Gary would be the expert because he is extremely proficient in order flow. And he has used Pam's levels for years. So I'm misunderstanding your question, Deepak. What is the question? Your question is, and this makes no sense to me, can you please explain how you read the order flow candle from bid to ask to determine the formation of blue and yellow dots? I don't know what that means. What does that mean? The blue dots are stacked buyer imbalances in a ratio of 2-to-1 or greater. The yellow dots are stacked seller imbalances in a ratio of 2-to-1 or greater. Hey, Fahim. I just explained it. You're asking about imbalance. All they are is ratios of buyers to sellers in a ratio of 2-to-1 or greater. My suggestion would be you go back and watch the videos, the first 3 videos of class. It's covered in the class, but that's what it is. Guys, I'll leave gold up. I am going on break. I'll be back in about 20 minutes. So we have a short on the auto execute on crude on the breakout indicator. We have a long on the bot again. I'll take 2 off here. Turn the trail on and just let it go. There goes Nasdaq. First target filled again on the Nasdaq, guys, on the bot. I'm going to put this out at third target. Again, I'm looking to buy pullbacks. We may not get it. A break above 763. And we could keep going. So any pullback, I'm looking to be long. Everybody clear? Got nothing on gold. Silver or crude was a nice short. I'll wait for crude to turn back up. We've got buying pressure right now in the Nasdaq. Let me get my DOM ready, guys. Methinks we're going to blow on the open. The hell got target? I don't even know what I had on. Gold is going to short on the bot. Any questions before we go, guys? We got 20 seconds. 20. Oh, you know what? That was probably the ES on the bot. It's behind. Yeah, it was ES. ES on the bot, guys, went long at 918. Both targets filled. We're off. We're off. There's all three targets hit on the Nasdaq bot. All three targets hit. Crude is bid. Come on, Nasdaq, pull back for me. Pull back. Where the hell? There we go. Let me see where I want this Nasdaq though. 49 if we get a pullback right there. Let's see here. That was your entry, 49, I believe, fellas. ES is long on the bot, on the breakout. ES is long on the breakout. There's your 49 entry, guys. We may come back to 46, but I don't think so. We got an order filled somewhere, and I don't know where. Russell on the bot, RTY. Nasdaq has got small selling pressure in here. We did come back to 46 and bounce. Russell is short on the bot. ES is long on the breakout, but pulling back. Nasdaq is trying to hold this zone in here. Guys, Nasdaq long maybe 41. All right, gold is now short on the bot. Gold is short on the bot, out on the Russell with that tight stop. Crude is out. You can buy the close. Yeah, I mean, let's see. We could come down to 34. Here comes gold. I don't think we're shorts, fellas. Stop on the Nasdaq, 28. 28. Let me take a look at. I got nothing on crude. We're just kind of sitting around that entry. If you bought 41, we're up a bit. We're definitely longs, guys. I don't have I don't have shorts. Jesus, everything is firing. That's crude. Here's crude on the 34 entry I gave you guys. Anybody long crude from 34? Take first target at 62. Anybody long crude at 34? Watch this trend line. Okay, Marco. All right, fellas. Nice job. Watch this trend line break. Nasdaq is about to break out, is what it looks like to me. Look at the volume. We're on top of the trend line now. God darn it. Hang on, guys. There you go, guys. We're trying to break out. Got to come through now. 56, 58. Come on, Nasdaq, break it out. There we go. There we go. 56 is a problem. 56 half. It's got to get through 56 half. Come on, Nasdaq, let's go. Crude one tick from that first target at 61. Monster. Monster trade. Stop filled on what? Gold came to first target, hit first target, and didn't fill it. That, as you know, is a peeve of mine. ES is out. I do not have Nasdaq in shorts, fellas. It may pull back on the next 15-minute candle, but I don't have it in shorts. Come on, what are you going to do here, Nasdaq? Quit screwing around. Give me some buyers. All right, guys. I'm going to take this Nasdaq long. Oh, that filled quick. I gave the stop 30, 30, 30. It was a 41 to 46 entry area with a 30 stop. Come on, Nasdaq. Break out. Let's go. You know you wanna. If you guys want ticks, feel free to take them. Come on, 53. Let's go. Give me 10 handles. I don't see any issue until we get to 70. 70. I see 70. 750. I don't. Yeah. But from a support and resistance level, 70. Come on. Look at this. One tick. Target filled. Now hodl. Hodl, baby. Hodl. 70. Come on. I want 70. Out on this gold on the bot. There we go, fellas. Target one's off. Runners free and queer. There's our 70. Got to get him out of here. We should be good now to 90 to 98. 90 to 98. Target one filled, crude. It's a monster day. Hit him straight, fellas. Go hit him straight. Enjoy the day. Monster. Come on. Small offers all the way. Let's go. Come on, break it up, baby. Break it up. We got a runner going on crud. Runner going on Nas Crackalaki. Everybody's good. Come on, Nasdaq breakout. 2 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. White House says the CDC is closely tracking and something flu in China. Avian flu? I don't know. Let's see. That's not on here. Some kind of flu in China. Apparently they've been hanging out in camps again. Bird flu. Thank you. You can buy 54 on a pullback in the Nasdaq. 54. I missed it. I tried to add 54. I guess I'd still buy 54 if I can get it. Stop's going to be 40. So our entry was 43. Okay. Target one. I'll take 2 off at 56. 2 off at 56. Yeah, let's move that up to 57.75. I'd have had 56. Come on. Got it. So we got 2 to go here, guys. 2 to go. 2 to go. If you added in or took a second trade, target 1 is hit. Two to rumble. Crude's up 30, 31 ticks here. All right, guys. I'm going to take some ticks. I guess I'm not. Stop on the trade, guys. But, whether it doesn't matter where you're in is 40, 40, 39.75. We do have sell pressure in here. Gold is getting hit. I can only watch so many things. $42 again is going to be support, that area. Come on, buyers. Order filled on what, man? RTY shorted again on the bot. What time is it? 47. Yeah, we could come back down to that 43, fellas. There's about my out. I'm out. $1,400. Okay. There's another bounce, 34. Another entry at 17 to 22 is a better entry. I don't think we break VWAP. I would be really surprised if we break VWAP. Come on, Russell, go get that target. Let's go. It's only 21 lousy ticks. Gold breaking Pam's blue. It's the auto on copper, the breakout on copper. Let's see what we get here, guys. I'm watching order flow. We have pulled VWAP up. We do have a positive delta of 1,800 contracts so far. Yesterday's high, we did get a look. We got a gap up in the Qs. We could come back to fill the gap at 331.91. There's first target on copper, another target. And just I'll let it trail indefinitely. Okay, I'm going to move it. Russell came within 3 ticks, 2 ticks of that target, 3 ticks of target. Scumbag. Nasdaq gonna tag VWAP. Copper is blowing up. ES is turned over below VWAP. Crude is still going, up 34 ticks. There's VWAP. All right, guys. Wow, let's see what we can do here. We're into that buy zone I showed earlier. I think we're coming down to 17. Out on copper, Russell trade is still in. There's 21, 22. We haven't turned back up yet, so we did break VWAP and sell through it. Here's yesterday's high at 19.5. This should be some support. We're holding yesterday's high. Below that, we come down 700. Don't know that we do or do not. 17 is the next area of support, 17.5. I'm watching. I don't see buyers yet. We're going right through that prior buy zone. Look at our delta. Dumped from almost 3,000 down to 1,100. Let them sell them all back and start to buy them if that's what they're going to do. We got the break on the open. We caught that. We still have crude going, up 31 ticks and quiet. Indices have all sold. I did miss a damn short on the Nasdaq, but I don't like selling into VWAP. I think the buy is going to be 700 area. Russell got first target on the bot. Target is off, and now we'll just trail it. I have no real target on crude. High of the day, I'm guessing. Maybe 69. I mean, we're almost there. I don't really have a target up here. We're trying to hold yesterday's high, but that we get another out on the Russell runner. Delta's down to below 1,000 or just above 1,000 now. Yeah, I would agree. That's kind of where we're looking now, Deepak. Son of a pup, man. Seriously, I missed this short. Still not turning up. New 5-minute candle, higher low. I almost think we're going to have to tag 03. Got some buyers here. Could be short covers, could be longs. God, we got to bounce here soon, or we could come down 675. I think we bounce 700. We're starting to hold Pam's yellow line in the sand. I'm starting to move back up. No. Come on. What are you going to do? I mean, I've got good support, guys, right around, 705 was support now. 700 is the best support. Let's see if we can get down there and buy, 0102. We may take a little bit of heat, but still dealing with the negative candle delta. They're buying them back now. I don't want to own them here, but yesterday's high at 19 is now going to be resistance, 19.5. All right, guys. I'm going to try a Nasdaq long. Right? Not yet. Right? Not yet. I'm trying to get to 20 or so.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
I was hoping we'd get 700.
Order filled.
All right, there's an entry at 20. My first target will be just below VWAP. Let's call it 27. 27. Just below VWAP. We've pulled VWAP lower. We're starting to turn up on the ES as well. Crude is up 38 ticks on the runner. Where are you long, Greg? Where are you long? Yeah, 20. That's where it should go. If it's going to go, next candle in 49 seconds.
Order filled.
Come on. Let's get that first target, chump. 23 or 27. Let's go.
Target filled.
Come on.
Target filled. Target filled.
There we go, guys. Target filled. Free trade. Free trade. Free trade. That's what I'm saying. Let's get a close above VWAP. And move on up to the east side.
Target filled.
Guys, we're getting targets all over Hell's Half Acre, but I have no idea where. because I'm not watching. Crude got target, first target on the bot. So we got a target on the bot. I don't know what else is getting targets. I can't look. I'm in a trade, and I'm more focused on this trade. Fallon VWAP, a little bit.
Stop fill.
My stop, I've moved to break even here, plus a little bit. 21. If it takes me out, so what?
Stop fill.
Out on the runner. Crude is still going. Up 49 ticks. Anybody still holding crude? Anybody still holding crude? Okay. Other than Gary? Anybody still in crude? Okay, Marco. This guy. All right, we got another target with Nasdaq, first target, and then a few on the runner. Looks like it wants to press down to 700. I do have support at 700. I have support just below that as well. So let's see what we get. Guys, it's been an awesome trade. It's only 10 o'clock. Most of you should have made your daily goal by now. Nice job, Deepak. Daily target met. Nice job. All right, let me move some stuff around and see what in the hell is firing trades, because I honestly have no idea. Wasn't the Nasdaq. It wasn't gold.
Stop fill.
Out on the crude runner on the bot. We hit 705 again. I still think we have to come a little bit lower.
Order filled.
Ray's got his gold. Salem, you're welcome. Switching to Sim. Nice job. Going to Sim. Deepak, nice job. Doody doo 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 da dee da. Killing them again like we always do. Bam ba bam ba. Yeah, I like that fun. CL may roll over for us. I mean, we are just hugely oversold. I mean, overbought on crude. I've moved stop to 48 from 34.
Order filled.
All right, crude shorted on the breakout indicator. Let's see what it gets. Nasdaq broke 500. 90 should give us a long. Yeah, it's got to bounce though. There's 93. We could come 85. I like 90. We came 93. Let's see. Man, I missed a big short, but who's looking for shorts with 2,000 contract positive delta? Not this guy. 3.5 times your daily goal. Nice job, Marco. Very good, very good. And we're back above 700, but I don't think so yet here, fellas. Up to 07. Should get to 07. Now we're going to come back down, I would think. Nothing there. My fat candles, they ate too much on Memorial Day. They put on a little weight. Hot dogs and hamburgers. Yeah, it looks that way. Those are called chubby candles or volumetric candles. I got to get above yellow at least, Greg. We should trade back up to close to 40. 20 is what it looks like. If you guys want to try a Nasdaq long, we didn't get to my 90, which is where I saw the entry. If you guys want to take the Nasdaq long, you got to target from here at 14 maybe. Let's see what happens here. Small buyers in here, 198, 100. We do have buyers. You can see the candles filling out. All right, I'm interested here.
Order submitted.
At 6. With a first target at 14. 8 handles. It's not much. And I'm not going to get it. They're trying to stiff 9. They got to work through 9. 10. I don't think I'm going to get this, maybe, but let me move this, guys. Where's your entry, Greg? Shoot. I like that 6. I got cheap. Yeah, I see the same thing. I'm not going to. If anybody got filled on Nasdaq, target 1 is 14. No, I'm not paying any attention to the previous candle. We got stack buyers here, block buyers here. Let me see what's left in this candle. Minute. I'll stay where I'm at. We should hold Pam's yellow. We're trading longs above yellow.
Order filled.
All right, there's the fill. First target 14. Just above the top of the candle, fellas. That's where I'm trying to get. I still like, 90 looks to me like a great entry if it comes down there. Buyers and sellers here at the point of control, 09. This is kind of our weak spot. Stack sellers on the open of the next ensuing candle. This could drive this down. Come on, you stink face. Let's go. Buy them back up through. Watch your delta, 147, 52, 48, 42. Small buyers, small sellers in here now. Small buyers, small sellers. This has got to go back through 9 quarter half, and it's good. I'm not digging this. Come on, let's go. We're going to fight this wall here of sellers. That's the problem area. If we get up, if they buy back, 100 of these contracts, we'll go right up through and keep going. We get back up through 7, 8. We still have to clear 9.5 here. We're trying to go longs, fellas. Let me just see if I can find something here that I'm working with. Nah, we're fighting Pam's yellow now. I'm going to be taken out here. Russia has no out. No, not yet. It's going to be.
Stop fail.
That's fine. Let's come down to 90. Yesterday's close was 654. Yesterday's low was 651. We could trade down there. I don't think we're coming any lower. Qs have filled the gap. Qs gap fill. They have gap fill on the Qs. So now if we're going to go up, we can go up. We have gap fill. And we didn't hold 90. Whoop. Come on, man. We've got negative delta, almost 800 contracts. I have nothing in gold. We blew through 90. We're into a daily pivot right here. And we're not holding the daily pivot yet. Looks like we're coming into yesterday's close and low. We're oversold on the 15-minute, just FYI. But we're not bouncing yet. $65 next level. Below that, 54 to 51, which will put us at yesterday's close and or low. Can't find any buyers, guys, yet. I have nothing in gold. I have nothing anywhere. Honestly. I mean, we could come down to 630. We can come to 620, actually. Here's day low. Should hit this and hit the skids. All right, we've blown yesterday's low. God dang. Are you kidding me? Seriously? We don't hold this area here. We're coming down to 627. Nasdaq's only off 30 points. I mean, what do you mean who's speaking? Oh, I don't know. I don't think anybody's speaking at this point. Better yet, what are they saying? What are they saying? I mean, we're hugely oversold. Here's the hourly. Here's a 240. All right, so here's a 4-hour chart. I mean, we could come down to 20. 20. On a 240, we're just reversing overbought. We could come down to the 20 area. I don't think we're coming below 600, but we'll see what we get. Bots are now quiet. Bought 3 at 42.50. Okay.
Stop fill.
Stop filled somewhere. I like this 36 area, guys. I think we can make a move here. You guys can try it again. If you guys want to try along again. Get back above that 95. We came back through the 95. We've got to clear these sellers. We are stack buyers. Sellers hit them again. That's why we lost the imbalance. ISM was a miss at 10 o'clock. Got it. Okay. That's to be expected. Doesn't that mean more free money? Isn't that what that means? The 1 minute is trying to turn up. The 5 minute is just 2 more stimulus checks. That's what we need. More free money. Send the dollar to 0. Why not? Why not? I don't know why we're not going up, fellas. There we go. We're trying. We're trying. OPEC Plus is not something about Iranian oil production. I don't know what they're. Saudi Arabia is committed to increasing oil capacity. And Joe Biden is committed to our dependence on foreign oil. Sounds good. There we go, fellas. If we can get back up through 58, this thing rocks and rolls through 58. He should be impeached, but yeah, we are buying oil from Iran. I agree. Terrorist country. I agree. And they love Americans. Not saying they all hate us, but by and large. Yeah, we could always go back to, the way it was in the Civil War with 2 presidents, right? Yeah, I agree, Don. I mean, this is ridiculous. It's utterly ridiculous. Dang it. This Nasdaq just does not want to go. Come on, man. Here we go. No, we failed at 2 standard deviations. If we can bust above that, I think we're good. Quarles saying his view on inflation has not changed in the last few months. All right, guys. I think I'm going to kill this and I'm done. Nasdaq is not behaving today, or it's behaving badly. Fed's Quarles saying this high inflation that we're seeing will be transitory. Okay. Keep telling yourself that. I haven't hit my stop yet, Dave. That means it's transitory, Greg. It won't be here forever. Of course, they're not saying it'll be gone in 3 months. Nobody said that. 8 years later, it's gone. It was transitory. What better way to get people dependent on the government? What better way? Think about it. Inflation's going to make everyone, I mean, seriously, the lower and middle class is going to get busted. Can't afford groceries. I've been to the grocery store twice in the last week. I've spent almost $500 on groceries. What I used to spend $350, $400 on. Nasdaq is holding the 30 area. I mean, I'd like to see a bounce back to 54, 55 anyways. Crude is still in that trade, if you can believe it, fellas. When's the next candle? Minute and a half. There you go, guys. 54, 5, 6. That might be where we want to be. God, this is just ridiculous that this thing won't bust up. Quarles says they should not use their tools to address supply chains disruptions. Quarles said they could be wrong about inflation being transitory, but they have tools to cope with it. It's complete malarkey. We're from the government and we're here to help. Come on, let's go to 64. I'm going to put a target, guys, at 61. This first target at 61. $61.75. I want 43.75 to 61.75. I have a target at 64.75. I'm trying to get 3 points below what I have as a target, just in case. Come on, dog. We should get 62.50, somewhere around there anyways. If you guys held and used the stop, it's on the screen, fellas. You guys, we got building buyers. If you guys held, nice, in at 38, nice. Nice. Now again, if you guys did something different, used your own stop, did your own thing, took your own targets, we have different results. We're failing the 34 with buyers. Bump, ba-da-da. Come on, go get that target, man. I want 18 handles. Nice job, Dave. Oh, nice job. Good move. We should get that target, fellas. I have a target at 65. We should get 61.75 easy breezy. Come on. There we go. Come on. Working through that seller imbalance. Got 59. 60 is an issue for it. It's going to have to bid through 60. Here we go. Come on. Buyers are stepping up. Buyers are stepping up. We got 300 buyers in here. Come on. Let's go. God, I hate when I come close and don't get my target. Boy, that just torques my keister. Here we go. Crude's out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, come on. You're teasing me. Guys, I'm 3 points below what is the real target. 3. Here we go. Oh, you stink face. No good dog, rat, bag, son of a devil. Got it. Got it. All right, fellas. As they say, hodl. Let's go. Let's hodl, baby. Next target, day high. I have no idea, dude. I mean, we got to, ideally, we get back to VWAP, right? Guys, I've had one losing trade today. One loser. Nobody should not be making money. Is there anyone not making money? Nice job, Dave. Great job. Thank you, John. Anybody not making money, fellas? We beat them raw in Europe, and we should be beating them raw in our session. I'm waiting. We have, I really have 65 is going to be a problem. It's a daily pivot. We didn't hold on the way down. We're going to fight on the way up. One, 4, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Not even a chuckle. No one chuckled. Not even a chuckle. God, I'm trying, fellas. I'm trying. First day back. Maybe I'm a little out of it. Some of you may know how I feel. I won't quit my day job. It is a tough crowd. In fact, my screen just got splattered with a tomato. Which one of you guys threw the tomato? Exactly, Becky. Hi. Guys, we're just kind of trading sideways now here. We could pull back. 58, 60 area all has support. It's all I'm doing. I'm trying to get to VWAP, Keith. Again, I don't have any reason to get rid of it yet. There's a big bid at 58 and a big bid at 60. Bigger bid is at 58. 69 contracts to buy at 58. Yeah, I'm at 48.50. Yeah. Guys, it's on the screen. Can you not see that? It's why I put them on the screen. All right, picking up sellers again, but we could move back into that buy zone. Now what, filled? Russell on the bot. Okay. We should bounce 58. You guys can buy 58 if you want.
Order filled.
Come on, bounce off 58. There it goes. That isn't much of a bounce. We had 58.50. Pulling this, we've pulled the 68 lower. Okay, we bounced 58, guys. We bounced off 58. We bounced 57.50. I said you could take 58 again. And we've got noise, 70 to 75 again. We're going to have to get through 70 to 75. Anybody take that 58 long? Anybody take 58 long? Okay. If you took 58 long, you guys want to reduce some risk about 71, maybe 69, 70, 69, 70 on a target one. Got to get through the 68 at 65 half. But, 58. Oh, you dog. Come on. There we go. Punch up through here and we're good to go. So if you took 58, I see 69, 70, 71 as a target to reduce some of your risk if you're trading multiples. We keep failing at 66 quarter area. There we go. We're through. 71, call it. 71. Come on, stink face. Let's go. 71. Do I hear 71? 71. Give the men 58 to 13 handles. Come on, let's go. Look at this dingbat. Seriously, let's go, dingbat. 71. Yeah. Got the 69. 68 to 71 is the area that I have. I still think you'll get 71, guys. Trade them as you see fit, but I still think 71. Come on. Buy some here. Let's go. This is boring me to death. Go get 71. Fed's Kashkari saying fears about the virus are keeping people out of the workplace. Baloney. $600 a week is keeping people out of the workplace. Keep paying them to stay home. That's right. I agree, Brad. Bullshit. I call bullshit. Forgive your French, hell. Come on, 71. Seriously? Look at this. 70 half. 2 ticks. Give me a break. Hey, 71, 71. 71, 71. Booyah, baby. That's what I'm saying. 71. 58 to 71. Now go. Just go, baby. Just go. Come on, take that swing at 77, and they will buy them quick up to 85. We get this swing here, they're going to buy them quickly to 85. 80 is 75 and 80 have an issue. We've got to get a look. Here's the issue. Daily pivot at 75 area. That's our issue. We got first target only from that 58 so far. But it's another target, guys. We're coming into the lows. We could come back down into yesterday's close. Do not let the trade go against you if you're in at 58. And I'm on the close button here. I'm out. I'm out. Guys, everybody should be doing really well. Is there anybody that's not having a terrific session? Is there anybody that I need to worry about? Yeah, the buy zone is 46, 47 right now. No. Nice job, Marco. 4.5 times your daily goal. Good job. Good job. You too, Marco. We could sell back off into the lows here, fellas. That's what it looks like. Qs are puking it up. We're getting a little bit of sell pressure in crude as well. See you tomorrow, Chris. Man, we put in a lower high. We still didn't. I mean, a higher low. This may be where we go again, fellas. Listen, I still have Nasdaq in longs with a stop at 28. It's just too big a stop from here. Let's see. No, I don't. Never mind. We pushed down to 36. Would have been a better entry. Gold is getting some buyers. Gold has buyers. No, never you mind. Shut your bots off up 555. Nice job. Nice job, Ray. Rick. Guys, it looks like you can buy 40. If it drops down to 40. It just hit 40. Come on, bounce here. First target would be 49 if you took 40, 49. Dollar's doing nothing. Silver's doing nothing. Coming down with GC. Let's see. I have nothing. Let me just take a look, see what else I have. It might be of any interest. RB, nobody trades it. Russell, who cares? Let's see what these. Well, these kids are beating up BlackBerry. Beyond Meat's getting sold today. AMC is up $3. And we held the bottom again, but we put in a lower low. I don't think we have much further to come if we do. Coming into the top of the hour, though, guys, so we're going to get, that looks like 620 has bid. All right, Rich. Guys, everybody's made money, right? Everybody has made money. Do I have anybody that has not made money in this room? Is there anybody that has not made money? Okay. How much? Okay. Just out of curiosity, one trade? Oh, you mean you just need one trade? Or that was from, you've just taken one trade? Well, it doesn't matter. Let me see what I can find. Okay. I wish crude would do something. I cannot get a damn trade in crude. It doesn't want to sell, and we're so close to the highs. Nasdaq, let's see, next 5-minute candle in 3 minutes. I do not think Nasdaq really comes below 07 at this point, if it comes down there at all. I think you can buy 10. Maybe 11.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There's 5. Come on, bounce. Right off the blue. Let's get back up to 20. Come on. Come on. There we go. Let's go. Got buyers. You tried. If you took 11, 17, 18 is target 1. Anybody took 11. Maybe 16 target 1. Come on, dog. Yeah, I'm not going to stay with it long. This could come down to 03. My stop would be shit. My stop would be next big buyer is right around 600 as I see it. 95 stop. 95. Come on, bounce. Thing got up to 14 half. Didn't get to 16. Come on. 16 is target 1. Come on. Qs could come down to 331.22. We're at 331.75. Come on, Nasdaq. It's trying to hold in here. Her blue lines. There's a big bid at 99.75.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Hey, rat bastard. Come on, get above that 98. Oh, 0405 is an aggravation for it now. 5.
Target filled.
Now 9.
Target filled.
Now back to 11.
Target filled.
If we get through 12 half, and they're buying them again, through 12 half, we go. Come on, 1 minute's turning up. The pressure to the downside is off. If we can get through about 14, we can get to 31. Right here, 14. We get to 31. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's go. There we go. coffee's horrible now. Oof. There you go, guys. Nah, it's trying. We've pulled the 95 down. If we come up through the 95, come on, got to get through. We've pulled it lower high open though. No buyers, small sellers, now buyers. Here we go, Patrick. Come on, get above this 17. There we go. Come on, it's winding up. Come on, come on. I need more than 3 of you guys on the top of the candle. There we go. No, break. There we go. There we go. There you go. All right, so anybody that's long from 11, anybody that's long, okay, anybody that's long, you got to target one about 21, maybe 22, and then 37. Come on. Sellers here. I want to get back to 31, fellas. 31 to 37.
Order filled.
31 to 37. Let's see. And I heard, okay, so crude went long again on the bot. Just FYI. I do not think this is going very far.
Target filled. Target filled.
Guys, I'm shutting bots off. It's that time of day, so I'm shutting them off. They should have been off a half an hour ago. I wouldn't let it come below 5. But 5, but we've got, Europe closing now. I'll be on Skype today, member Skype, for those of you guys that are interested in trades. Thank you, Rick. Philip. Come on, Nasdaq. You know you're going. Quit playing games. You're going. You're going. Let's get rid of these lousy short selling Europeans. Let's get back to 28 and then 54. That's what I want to see is 28 and 54. 28, 37, and 54. Anybody have any questions, guys? I'm done with trades for now. Guys, we racked up pretty good totals today. We've racked them up pretty good. I'm going to give you guys totals. Okay, Ray. The bots combined, just the bots, did $1,772.50. Okay? The TTP breakout did $1,362.50. And I'm ending between Europe and today at 2136.25. 2136.25. Of which 800 and change was what I had on the DOM in Europe. So whatever the difference is, 1,500, 1,400. We had a good day, man. We had a good day. Let them do what they're going to do into the close of Europe, fellas. I'll be on Skype in a bit. All right? I expect this volatility is going to last today. I love the volatility. The VIX is elevated nicely. Anybody have any questions before we go? I'm going to wrap up the session here, fellas. For those of you that are not going to be around in Skype, some of you I'll see at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. The rest of you I will see at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to quickly, one more time, guys, go through the, there we go. Now it's going to go, rat dog. Now it wants to bid. One more pullback and it's gone. So I had nobody that lost. One guy is down. Do I have anybody else that's lost money? Nobody? Everybody made something except one person. Is that correct? Yeah, I know you made your daily goal. I know you did, Deepak. Deepak. Okay, Jennifer, nice job. Nice job. Guys, we're going. I just don't believe we're going to. John, nice job. Doubled your daily goal. Okay. Anybody have any questions, fellas, before we call it a day? Here we go now. They're buying them. They're buying them now. The momentum to the downside is done. You're welcome, Trey. I hope you enjoyed your first day in the room. Any questions? Anything I can answer? And if not at this point, if you think of something later, just send me an email. Did you trade with us at all, Trey? Here we go. And there's 21. You want short ES at 42.18. Oh, nice. Very nice. Guys, listen, with the volatility, like this, stops are going to be bigger, just, for what it's worth. In any event, have a blessed day. I will see you guys on member Skype.